Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must not proceed silently. Get consent first. Explain why you need the location and how long you'll share it. Once done, verify device ownership and account access. Make sure you can legally manage that device. If you are a parent, show proof of guardianship or use parental controls. Also, check local laws. Some regions require explicit permission. If any of these fail, stop and seek an alternative that respects privacy and legality. You should use built-in features because they notify and protect users. Sign into the correct account, enable location services, and add the person to family sharing or a supervised account when appropriate. Once set, use lost mode or shared location features that are transparent. They record activity and notify the device owner. Make sure you understand how notifications work. This prevents accidental secrecy. If the device is managed by an organization, consult IT for approved tracking procedures. Finish by testing the connection. Have the owner confirm they see sharing enabled. If you cannot see the device, check Wi-Fi or cellular, battery level, and that the correct account is signed in. Once done, make sure notifications are permitted so both parties know tracking is active. If settings block access, you must contact the owner or the service provider. Do not attempt covert workarounds. A key tip: document permission to avoid disputes later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.